Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll discuss about SumMix and Sum. SumMix it is a formula which will perform operations between multiple columns. It will take everything on a row level. For example, and afterwards it will sum up everything. For example, if we want to sum up all our values from all these three columns, it will act like that. It will take the sum of each cell from each column. We take in this case column A, column B, and column C, and then we'll apply everything until our columns are ended, and it will take finally the sum of everything, and this will be the results in case of SumMix. Of course, in SumMix, as we can see here, our formula, we'll need to give the table name in Power BI and to indicate an expression. In our case, it is just adding numbers, but of course another expression can be multiplying, so we can also multiply all our values from our columns, and then we can sum them up. Let's just take an example in Power BI. So we'll first use our sum function. We'll define this measure as sum, and we will write our formula, and we'll say we want to sum up our column A from table 1. We'll close parentheses, we'll open a card, and just add our measure, and we have 14. So as you can see, 14 we also have in Excel file, so everything was done on a column basis. And with the SumMix function, we'll also define a new measure. We'll call it SumMix function, SumMix, and we write our formula SumMix in parentheses, and now we are prompted with this message. We need to indicate a table name, and we need to indicate what expression we want to use. And our table is table 1. We will write table 1, comma, and we need to add now an expression. So what we want to do is to multiply all our three columns and then have the sum of everything, and we'll write table, the name of our table, and we will look for column A multiplying with column B, table 1 column B multiplied with table column C. We'll close our parentheses, enter. We have our measure now, and we will open a new card. And we'll add our measure, and the result is 414, which is exactly as it is here. I hope this was useful. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified with new videos like this. Thank you. Have a good day.